Now our main headlines again. Supermarkets struggle to stock shelves amid virus pingdemic. The British supermarkets and suppliers have warned on Thursday of a possible food shortage due to staff self-isolating, as the rising coronavirus cases threaten chaos after the government controversially eased all restrictions earlier this week. With millions of workers and school kids currently forced to stay home under COVID-19 tracing rules, in what has been dubbed a pingdemic, after the phone app used to contact or ping people who need to self-isolate, various industries are starting to suffer. Newspapers showed photographs of empty supermarket shelves on Thursday as missing staff at stores as well as supply chains hit retail operations, with some even being forced to close. The government on Monday eased all virus curbs, including the legal requirement to wear a face mask in certain settings and social distancing rules, just as new cases are surging towards level not seen since the peaks in January. Prime Minister Boris Johnson argues that the country's vaccination program, which has jabbed nearly 70% of adults with 2 doses, allows for the relaxation of the measures. But the surge in infection, averaging nearly 50,000 a day during the most recent weeks, has led to a dramatic increase in people told to self-isolate by tracing officials from the National Health Service. Boris Johnson, Finance Minister Rishi Sunak, Health Secretary Sajid Javid, and opposition Labour leader Keir Starmer are all among those who are currently isolating after being contacted. The Prime Minister is under pressure to widen the list of jobs that are exempt from the isolation rules, but has so far resisted and kept exemptions tightly restricted to only key workers in critical industries. Meanwhile, the government has been criticised for compounding the crisis after providing mixed messages on the need to stay home. While some ministers have insisted people must isolate if advised, 2 business ministers this week noted there is actually no legal requirement to isolate if they are pinged by the NHS app. Only those contacted by the separately run NHS Test and Trace service must stay at home for 10 days by law. The public already appeared increasingly skeptical of the isolation rules following the easing of restrictions, with reports many people are deleting the app or ignoring advice. A poll on Monday reported half of Britons said they were unlikely to self-isolate if they had a negative rapid test after coming into contact with someone with coronavirus.